Nitrite nitrogen analyzer installation and commissioning demonstration. First, for assembly, you can either place it on a dedicated table or mount it on the wall. After installation, open the cover first. Inside, there is an instruction manual and 2 accessory kits. This is the pure water bucket, used for holding distilled water. These 2 are the cleaning solution bucket and the waste liquid bucket. Before use, make a hole in the lid of each bucket for tubing. Place the distilled water bucket, waste liquid bucket, and cleaning solution bucket in their positions. Next, cut off all the cable ties from the tubes. Each tube has a corresponding label. These tubes are for Reagent 1, Reagent 2, distilled water, quality control sample, standard solution, and spare. These 3 tubes are for cleaning solution, waste liquid, and water sample. Thread the cleaning solution tube and waste liquid tube through here. Place the cleaning solution tube into the cleaning solution bucket. Place the waste liquid tube into the waste liquid bucket. Place the distilled water tube into the distilled water bucket. Note, fill with distilled water in advance. Before debugging, prepare the corresponding reagents and standard solution with holes made in the lids. Insert the quality control sample tube into the quality control sample bottle. Insert the standard sample tube into the standard sample bottle. Place the reagent 2 tube into the reagent 2 bottle. Place the reagent 1 tube into the reagent 1 bottle. Connect the water sample tube to the on-set water sample to be tested, not demonstrated here. After installation, connect the power and press the power button. Wait for the system to boot up. Next, log in to the device and perform initial setup. First, log in. The device has 2 access levels: operator, password 1100, which allows data viewing only, no debugging or calibration. The other is administrator access, password 1210. After logging in, enter the maintenance interface. Here, perform a reagent replacement to purge air from the tubing. Select these 2 options and click Execute. Wait about 2 minutes. This step runs automatically. After reagent replacement, select distilled water replacement, then perform standard solution replacement. The entire process takes 3 to 5 minutes. During replacement, an alarm will trigger if no reagent or sample is detected. After this step, proceed to the second step, calibration. Set a standard solution based on the on-set water quality and provide a standard concentration. Select range 0 to 1 milligrams per liter. Both ends must match. Input standard value 0 to 8. Set calibration count 2 for 0 sample, 1 for standard sample. Select Wait for calibration. Click Save and Execute. This step takes approximately 60 minutes. After calibration is completed, you'll see K value, B value, and R value. Under standard conditions, the K value should be around 1 plus or minus 0.1, and the B value should be as close to 0 as possible. Return to the main interface for measurement settings. There are 2 main measurement modes, offline and online. Online measurement only allows testing of water samples. Offline measurement allows selection of water sample, standard sample, zero sample, and quality control sample. Measurement modes includes hourly, cycle, and maintenance mode. We initially use maintenance mode. In hourly mode, you can set measurements for any hour of the day. Blue indicates scheduled measurement times, but gray means no measurement. If the cycle interval is set to 15 minutes and the next measurement starts at 12 o'clock, the next will start at 12:50. It's recommended that the cycle interval be longer than the full measurement cycle, EO if a full cycle takes 7 minutes. Set the interval to 48 minutes or more. Measured values are already displayed on the main interface. If the displayed value falls outside selected measurement range, you just need to click here and select the corresponding range. The installation and debugging process for Nitrite nitrogen is now complete. Then Nitrite nitrogen reagent accessory kit includes one instruction manual. Take out the following in order: nitrite nitrogen solid reagent 1, nitrite nitrogen solid reagent 2, nitrite nitrogen solid standard substance. Finally, prepare the reagents according to the user manual.